Hello, my name is Merten Giesen. Welcome here from the Media Center. In the last few months, we have received an increasing number of requests for solutions for transporting iPads within the school. In this video, I would like to give you a small tinkering instruction how you can create your own iPad cart for your school or institution with little effort. Enjoy. There are, of course, quite a few professional solutions for this available for purchase. There are laptop carts in a wide variety of formats or even smaller case solutions. For our rental service, we also have respondingly gallant case solutions. The problem here, however, is that you will have to pay between 1,500 and 2,000 per cart for such a solution. However, if you are only looking to transport the equipment stored in room A to room B, short distances from the classroom to the teacher's room, something like that, then these solutions are either simply too bulky or too oversized in terms of price. So if you're looking for a do-it-yourself solution, then you've come to the right place. Here I show you how to build a fully functional iPad cart for under 100 euro. Have fun. So we're heading right here to the north of Frankfurt. There's this big blue brick, Swedish brick in the landscape. It's called Ikea, maybe you know it. And we're gonna take a look what they have. So here we go. Hello, here in my small workshop. At first we're going to assemble all the Ikea thing, and therefore I got this magic tool. We will see. In the lowest level, we built a wooden frame, and in the top plate we cut the cutouts for the iPads. The iPads will stand in the cutouts later, and we will do these cutouts with the laser box, and the laser box I have in my office. Now we're gonna put on the first and second level all the electronics. maybe it needs a little paint. What do you think? Now we're going to put it all together. So, there it is, our iPad cart. It offers space for a total of 10 iPads and it has a switchable power connection. The charging cables from the iPads come from above. This prevents cables from being crushed or broken, which is where most case solutions have their problems. The entire charging technology is safely protected from access here in the second level. You can design and use the top level individually, be it as storage or for teaching materials, or as here for your coffee cup. All materials require tools and the vector graphic for the inlays can be found in the video description. If you don't want to miss our next projects, then please subscribe our channel. And now, have fun with your iPad cart.